laughing together. And when I say something, when I say something about the Bible, and then Charles just pops up like okay, then reading, and then we comes out into Bible study. I recorded that. I recorded that, and that was amazing. And then when we watched TV, and then we saw the teaching of other people, like about Muslims, and then he just did something that's so funny. How I wish I can share that to here, because I still have that video, but my husband begging me, please don't do that. But it's so funny that he did that. But maybe one day, if if I'm going to have like this kind of video about my marriage, maybe I convince him to share, the funniest things that he did when we were in Barbados. We are doing Bible study, and then suddenly he's doing that. But anyway, so I like that, that of course every wives um uh you know wanted that, especially in the Bible study, that with their husbands, especially Charles, that's what I said. He is a gold in terms of Bible study. He is so precious. So